Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are tired of the default fonts in InShot and want to spice up your text designs, today's tutorial is just for you. I'm going to show you how to add new fonts to InShot, so you can take your videos and photos to the next level with some fresh, unique styles. Let's dive right in. First of all, find the InShot app. Now open it. Next, tap onto video and select the video that you want to add from your gallery, like this. Now let's add some text to our project. Tap on the text button in the toolbar at the bottom. This will open up a text box where you can type your message. Go ahead and type the text you want to add to your photo or video. Once you have typed your text, here you can find the A button. Now tap on it. As you can see, there are several default fonts to choose from. From here, you can choose the fonts that you like the most to add to your photo or video. After selecting the font, simply tap onto the check mark button right here. Now you have added different fonts to your text. And that's how you add new fonts to InShot. It's super easy and a great way to personalize your videos and photos with unique text styles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.